see me?
Yeah, it's working. This is super cool.
Are you gonna help me clean up your toys?
Delivery.
Be right there.
Hello?
Am I gonna get it or are you gonna get it? I'll get it.
Hey, thank you. Come on.
Hey, can I help you? Hey!
No, sorry, I'm not home. I'm coming.
The things you cherish and the people you love are right behind this door. That's why protection starts here. And Arlo has you covered with our first video doorbell. See the important moments outside your door, from head to toe. Receive alerts when they matter, so you can know before they knock. And clearly hear guests like you're there, with a doorbell that calls your phone directly, so you can answer from anywhere. It's built to handle everything that steps up to your front door, so you can protect everyone who matters on the other side.
Hi, Jim.
Wait, you can see me?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep. And it's so clear I can also see that mustard stain.
Don't miss a thing with Remobell S, one of the widest fields of view and fastest responding doorbells in the industry.
Can you see me now?
Poor Jim.
Greet your guests, monitor your home, and secure your loved ones with the easy-to-use Remobell S.
Hello. Hello, got your package?
You can just leave it. Thanks.
Hello? Can I help you?
Hello?
Hello.
Meet the Vivint doorbell camera. It lets you answer your door from anywhere with HD video and two-way talk.
Hi, Miss Medina. We have your cookies for you.
Okay, great. You know what? Let me open the front door for you.
And you can leave them inside.
It's smart, so you only get notified when it detects people at your door.
Can I help you?
Sorry, wrong house.
A wide 180-degree lens with night vision sees everything, day or night. Want a Vivint doorbell camera for your home? Talk to a smart home pro today.